Hi guys, just making this quick video about the new Xbox 360 Slim console. This is a hard disk drive out of an old Xbox hard drive with a SATA power connection just stripped down out of the casing. I'm going to show you that it fits straight into the new Xbox. There is the SATA connection in there. Check obviously that it's the right way around. I've put a little tag on the top of mine so it's easy to pull back out. And just line it up very gently. There it goes, a little click. And what I do just to stop that little bit of play there, because we haven't got a case, you can buy them off eBay, really cheap. I choose a little bit of rolled up tape. And that will stop your hard drive just from playing. Hope you like this video, hope it helps you. The hard drives are found in most laptops and the programs are available for download on torrent download sites. Thank you very much, please like and subscribe.